We are trekking here in the woods. So it's raining and it's a nice morning. I'm wearing an umbrella. I'm using an umbrella actually. So let's enjoy this morning. Looks like we need to stop here. So we went out of the forest and we are now here, and we're enjoying the view from here. And we hope to catch a glimpse of the Mayon volcano from here, albeit with some cloud formations. So she's there. So it's a beautiful spot, and it's actually one of the trails going to one of our lands, one of our farms. So it's really great because I could frequent a really beautiful spot like this. Something that I could also use for camping and for other outdoors activities like hiking and even mountain biking or moto camping. So we're done with our forest walk for this session. Jason here for the Hagbayon Channel and TMS Talks. Remember, the pen is mightier with the sword. Thanks for watching.